Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Aquaphor Healing Ointment, Moisturizing Skin Protectant for Dry Cracked Hands, Heels and Elbows. 14 ounces jar. It is a great skin ointment for minor scrapes and scratches as well as dry patches. It's thick and takes a while to rub in, but the results are well worth it. It doesn't stain fabric and it is also great for neck rash on newborns. Great for working hands that takes a beating or the ones who cracks in the winter. Product was recommended by a family member's radiologist for dealing with sensitive skin after radiation treatment. It has also been shown to deal well with a variety of minor skin issues such as bug bites, rashes and related annoyances. Best deal is to get the giant tube, but it's not great for traveling. She has to basically lather up with it every night after her bath, but her skin looks a lot better and is not nearly as red or itchy when she is applying it twice a day like she should be. This tub lasts a long time, so even though it seems kind of pricey, it is worth the money. It is especially great to prevent diaper rash, but it is also wonderful as a healing ointment on other boo-boos for adults as well as little ones. Forget the tube, for which you can't squeeze the last of it out and the spray too thin. Kids have sensitive skin and this really is the best long-lasting soothes and doesn't have any scent. If you have really dry skin or any kind of cosmetic procedure like Fraxel or other skin removing treatment, this stuff is your best friend. You have to repeat the applications based on skin dryness. Works well if applied right after shower. This cream is more like Vaseline in texture and creates a tough coating that really protects. It is greasy, so that may not be appealing for hands, but skin that is inside a onesie ends up feeling baby soft the next morning. You'll definitely want to be able to wash your hands after or wipe them off after applying. This is a much better way to purchase the product than buying it in the store. He reports that it's very soothing and isn't overly greasy the way other products are. Too bad the company raised their prices on it, but not surprised, as it seems everybody in the world is raising prices. Retirees like me are having a hard enough time trying to keep up with product increase, yet our retirement income remains the same. This certainly doesn't cure it, but it really does help keep it at bay. This is the only product for dry skin that actually 100% every time works. Whether you've got dry feet, eczema, patches on your body or face, anywhere, this heavy-duty ointment when applied overnight works wonders. If you don't like a thick shiny coating on your skin, this may not be for you. Its ability to heal rashes so quickly makes it a necessity in any baby's home. Excluding moisturizing product for baby bums, AMD dry feet provides optimal protection for sensitive bums. To all mom whose babies have diaper rash problems, this is the product for you. Best applied to dry skin after cleansing, as it seals in moisture, could trap moisture. Out of all of the many brands and types of diaper cream, this is our number one. This also was the only thing that helped our daughter's stubborn diaper rash even more than the extra strength version of other brands. The consistency is excellent and similar to Vaseline, which makes it very easy to apply to. It is a bit greasy, but if you put it on and wait about 5 minutes, it absorbs. It is a very nice emollient, takes care of dry skin, quickly penetrates instantly, does not leave a greasy residue on the skin and does not stain clothing. She sucks her fingers so her cheeks were getting wet and then chapped in the winter air. Perfect for kids with eczema and for adults to keep moisturized on cold Chicago winters. This is the only one that soothed her skin and combined with the other creams got her eczema under control. Yes, it's a little oily, think petroleum jelly, and it can leave a stain on your clothing. It washes out. But the key thing is that it works for her, and that is all a parent can ask for. It is a little greasy when you put it on, but give it about 10 minutes and it disappears. It is also good on minor cuts and scrapes and for dry skin, especially in the winter. It works well to retain moisture like petroleum jelly does, but it doesn't stay sticky for as long as petroleum jelly. Warning: it feels a bit greasy when first applied, so don't plan any fine tasks for a few minutes. Also great for her scratches on her face from her baby nails and cradle cap. This and the baby version work the same, so grab whichever. He covers his hands in the Aquaphor ointment, then puts rubber gloves on and goes to bed. By morning his hands feel like a baby's bottom. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.